Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Today I will let you know about graduate research scholarship in Australia. That's a full scholarship, 100% free and full. So first of all, you need to Google like a Melbourne government scholarship, okay? So first you need to search on Google's like this scholarship like Melbourne graduate research scholarship. You can also write there 2023. So when its first option will open, you need to click first option, okay, and then its first link it will open, okay. So here is the details about. I will provide you detail what documents you requires for this scholarship, and what's the deadline and when you can apply for deadline, and plus putting documents, okay. So first we will start applications. So for this scholarship you don't need to submit like for Italy or for other European country. You need to submit, you need to get first admission, right, and then you need to apply for scholarship. For here you just need to apply directly on the scholarship, like it's mean you directly apply on the university websites, and they will consider you. If you are a good profile, they will consider you for a full scholarship, okay. So what is the scholarship is like 110 000, like this one is dollars, okay. These Australian dollars, they give you like full scholarship according to this amounts, okay, for Australian dollar, okay. And so what's the applications is open for all areas like masters and PhD post, okay. So it's available for master and PhD, okay. And the next, how much scholarship they will offer you? They will give you almost 600 scholarships, all international students from different country, Asia, Europe, Africa. Even you are from any country, they have specific criteria and specific quota for each country, okay. For this scholarship you can apply like all domestic students and international students apply on this scholarship, and they prefers international students for this scholarship. So what's the eligibility of this scholarship to get? First of all, you must need to meet their entry requirements. Apply for this scholarship, okay. The University of Melbourne, okay. So this scholarship is specially available for University of Melbourne, okay, for PhD and master. And the selection criteria: admission to master by research and doctorate degree at the University of Melbourne, okay. For master is 2 years and PhD 3 to 4 years, okay. So according to your, for like if you are applying for PhD, you must need your bachelor degree and your transcript, okay. If you are applying for PhD, you need the master and bachelor's transcripts and degrees, okay. Plus others, like for this scholarship, IELTS, PTE, TOEFL is compulsory, okay. It's not about you can provide them English proficiency letter from previous university and they exempt. For this scholarship, it's specially requirement for IELTS, okay. If you have IELTS, you have a good chance to apply on this scholarship. So what's the application procedures? Application procedure is like every year they open this scholarship like 31st October. It's closed, okay. So you must need to submit this scholarship, this application form before 31st October. So this is the application date. You must need to like know it's August, September, October. Still you still have more than 2 more months, okay. So you can apply on this scholarship. You just need to submit online application. So this is the application websites. You just need to fill online application form and just need to submit with your supporting documents application, okay. What's about when you apply, you will get outcome within is a short time. They didn't take too much time. Like offer for research, domestic will receive an offer for research as part of their course offer. This is the offer. Especially every year they announce December, January they announce results, okay. So this is the first scholarship, okay. So this is the basically this one is Melbourne research scholarship. You can also apply for government research training program. So this university have two types of scholarship, okay, and that's a fully funded, okay. Even for domestic and international students, here is also like Australian Commonwealth governments. This scholarship available domestic internationals. Both students can apply on these both scholarships, okay. And know what's the benefit of this scholarship, okay. First of all, you will apply for master's or PhD, and that's a full 2 years for undertaking master degree, and for 4 years for PhD. Okay, for PhD is 4 years. You will get full scholarship for 4 years. Okay, and how much living allowance you will get? You will get 34,400. Okay, Australian dollars according to 2023, because every years they change little bit. It's few hundreds difference. Okay, so this is the scholarship for 2 years. Okay, for PhD for 3 years. For PhD, you can buy master or up to 3.5 student doctorate degree. So this is the basically amounts for both master and PhD students. Okay, 34,400 Australian dollars. Okay, and the relocation allowance, if you are moving from like other Australian states, they will also give you like 2,000 Australian dollars and 3,000 Australian dollars moving from one city to another city. Okay, for international students, they provide you health insurance. That is the most important. Even you can live in any other country, you must have health insurance. Even you can apply for China, Japan, Italian, European countries, you must need health insurance, and this scholarship will also cover your health insurance. Okay, so I already told you about scholarship benefits. For documents, for documents portion, I will tell you about, you need your bachelor degree and transcripts. If you are applying for PhD, you must need your bachelor and master degree transcripts and degrees. Okay, for this scholarship you also need to contact with professors. Okay, so if you get acceptance letter, there is more chance for you to get this scholarship. Okay, and the next thing, your English proficiency letter, like you must need to provide IELTS is 6 or more than 6. Okay, and there is no less than 5.0. Okay, in any like listening, speaking and reading. Okay, so this is the arts English requirements. For proposal, you must need to make proposals according to your professor's requirements, according to your professor profiles, according to your professors like professors research work. Okay, so this is the main basic points for this scholarship. In most of the programs, they don't require bank statements. Okay, so this is the main thing for graduate research scholarship in Melbourne University. You can apply here. That's a good opportunity, and still have 2 more months. Okay, so you can prepare your documents with supporting documents. You can apply on their websites. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So if you need any kind of help, you can mention in my video comments. I will do my best to help you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channels. Thank you.